Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be showing you my new unboxing of this portable hard drive disk. This is a 2 terabyte Seagate expansion portable drive for PC. So this is the box. You have 1 year of guarantee with the company. So this is how itself. So this is the box how itself. So that's gonna open up. I have one classic problem. This is how itself. This is the packaging with USB cable. It's not so heavy. We have some books. We have this. This is for Australia only. But I'm here in North America, not Australia. So what I heavy. That's the port for the USB cable. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. More videos will be coming soon. So this is my Seagate expansion portable drive for PC. Thank you.